Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zipporah, the Lux Angel. On this channel, I discuss luxury, fashion, and style. So if you're into that sort of thing, go ahead and subscribe. You can do that with the red subscribe button down below. In this video, I am doing a What's in My Bag small leather goods edition. I recently picked up some small leather goods from Coach, and I got some requests to show what fits inside, and that's only, you know, natural and only fair. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into that. So this is the Coach, what is this called? This is the Cosmetics case 17 is the style. You can still get this case, the 17 style, but they don't have this print anymore. I guess, I don't know if it was a limited edition or if it all sold out, but the last time I checked on the website, they didn't have this print, which is the rose print in the chalk white. Yeah, that's what they called it, chalk white. So it might be back in stock, I'm not sure, but they do have this, you know, 17 case in cross grain leather. This is canvas, but the ones that they have now are in cross grain leather. So that's that, just in case you were wondering. And so I am glad I got it if it's sold out already. Anyway, but let's just go ahead. This is a cosmetics case. I do not wear a ton of makeup, and so I don't have a ton of cosmetics. So I'm just going to show you what I have on an everyday basis and what I have in here. Sometimes there are, you know, feminine items in here, but they're not in there now because, you know, Aunt Flo is not visiting currently. So let's see what I have here. I have this Lash Paradise waterproof mascara. Who makes this? This L'Oreal? Yeah, it says L'Oreal. I actually really like this mascara. It does what it says it's going to do. I usually get mascara if I am trying to lengthen my lashes. Now this says volume, but it does lengthen really well. I bought this, I used it all, and I bought it again, which a lot of times I don't you know, repurchase something. I like to try and keep experimenting. I actually bought this because I used to do the Rimmel. It was Rimmel London's Lash Accelerator, and that was very, very good. But when I went to the store, they were out. So I picked up this one, and this one is really good too. So between the two, which one's better, I don't know. But since I like this one, I'm gonna keep going with this one. I don't know, who knows, maybe I'll switch between the two. You don't need to hear my whole life story on this, so I'm gonna move on. All right. And now we have, who makes this one? This is the Matte and Poreless Fit Me makeup. Who makes Maybelline? It's by Maybelline. The Fit Me in the color Deep Golden, 368. Now I will say about this, like, it's a little bit dark for me, which you would not be able to tell, like, because it looks like it would probably even be lighter. But when I put it on my face anyway, it's like a little bit darker, but I can make it blend in and it still works. I like this actually. It's not bad. It's not bad. I'm working on the skincare game. I am experimenting, and we will see what happens. If I wear foundation, right now I'm wearing this. I used to do Cover FX. I need to re-up on that, but I couldn't get to Sephora, so I got this. So that's why you see this. Maybe soon you'll be seeing Cover FX again. Who knows? All right, what else? We have the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. I like this, and I like this because it does not rub off. I used to do like powders to fill it in, or like pencils, but this does not rub off. I like that. Like, thank you God, we found something that ain't gonna rub off, because don't nobody want to wipe their sweat in the middle of the summer and then half their eyebrow is gone. That would be embarrassing. So that does not happen with this. So for now, this is what I'm doing until I decide if I'm really gonna do some microblading or not. What do you think? Has anyone, you know, watching ever gotten microblading done? Does it hurt? Is it okay? Do you like it? Oh my gosh. All right. What do I have here? Brilliant Effects Lip Gloss. Again, something I picked up from the drugstore because I was out of my NARS orgasm. Oh, that lip gloss is like life, honey. But I was out, so I picked this up, and I don't know. It's just like, I have not been to Sephora in forever. I got the app because I'm like, ooh, I could just purchase it and have it delivered to my house, and that way I don't need to like go out and try to get it. But whatevs, you know. I still have this, and this is actually really good, to be honest. It's not no damn orgasm, but you know, it does the trick. So that's that. We've got a little Victoria's Secret tester here. I had like a set of 3 and I'm like almost out. This is the bombshell version and it's pretty good. I like it. I do need to get back to Victoria's. I just need to get back to like a mall setting so I can get the stuff that, you know, I actually need and enjoy, but you know. So I have that, some perfume, and what is this? This is the Rimmel London Wonder Wing eyeliner. It doesn't say waterproof on here, but I could have sworn I bought the waterproof version. But that would explain a lot because it has not been like staying on. But it's doing the trick. I like a good wing. I don't use this for what it says you're supposed to use it. Like it has a thicker, see that? It has like a thicker edge so you can create a wing. But I just draw my wing on anyway, so whatever. All right, what do we have? My husband, when he went to Germany on a business trip, he like brought back one of those Toomey cases with like all this crap in it, and Kiehl's was in there. Yay! So there's a lip balm in here and a hand cream in here, just like, you know. Do I really use these? No, because I have a lip gloss and I usually don't leave the house without just putting on some lotion on my hands in the first place, so I don't ever really need this. However, it is handy to always have some lotion because we can't be ashy while we're out and about. That is not a good look. And then this is from my dentist, as you can see. I mean, I guess I could show it and give her some business, and y'all don't know my address based off of this, but this one is the flavor. This is a lip gloss, or I mean a chapstick, and she carries chapstick so that, like, I don't know, maybe lots of dentists do this. I don't know. My other dentist didn't do this, but she carries chapstick so that like when they're working on your mouth, your lips don't like crack and stuff, so you can put some chapstick on first. And this one is orange creamsicle flavor. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like, oh my gosh. My husband's checkup, like me and my girls, we both, or all 3 of us, we went in just recently to get our teeth cleaned, and now it's my husband's turn, and I'm like, you need to like load up on these creamsicle ones because these orange creamsicle ones smell just like an orange creamsicle and they're wonderful. Like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna put some on now. Oh my gosh, it smells like love in a jar, like, oh my gosh, yes. So I have that, and I do use that pretty often. And then I have my trusty dusty tweezers, and these are from Revlon? I want to say these are from Revlon. I want to say they're from Revlon, but you know, when I need to pluck some eyebrows, I don't have many, but you still got to keep them, you know, tamed, because when you put this on, you want a nice line. I try. I'm not even gonna lie, I only just recently have been getting into makeup. I'm about to level up, okay? We about to level up. Like, as you can see, this is all very, very basic. Very basic. And this is what I put on nowadays, like, if I put anything on. I just the act of putting on makeup sometimes can be very annoying. It's just like a process, and I'm like, I need like a 5 to 10 minute process. But I like to look good when my husband comes home, so on a daily, like, just for a simple basic look, this is what I will have. And this is really all I need, to be honest. Like, as long as my skin is looking even and my eyes are on fleek, your girl be looking good, okay? Anyway, so that's what I have in here. And I pretty much filmed this video just to show you what fits inside. Clearly a ton more can fit inside. You could probably fit some kabuki brushes or a beauty blender, a compact in there, so there's plenty more space in here. But that is the purpose of this video, just to show you what fits inside, and basically all your essentials will definitely fit in there. And yeah, it's a nice good size. I love it. It's so cute. I'm glad I got it. So that's that. That is the Coach Cosmetics case 17 in the chalk and rose canvas print. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. So until then, have a gorgeous day. Bye.